Let me tell you a secret. The only thing that will land you a job in the VFX industry is actually having a professional portfolio. That's not easy at all, but this course is a first step into getting towards that goal. So, be aware that VFX, especially real-time VFX, is something that needs to come through the eyes as quickly as possible, convey what's needed to convey, it being like gameplay features, eye candy, whatever, and then you need to demonstrate that you understand the principles behind it and that you know how to create that effect and how to replicate it. So this course is actually key for you to get your stuff out there as quickly and as easily as possible, so recruiters and people from other huge VFX companies are able to see your stuff and get you hired. So don't worry about expensive software or overcomplicated setups. That's not going to be a thing in this course. I'm going to teach you how to get free software. You won't have to pay anything extra for them, such as OBS, DaVinci Resolve, and I'm going to teach you how to record your VFX in the highest quality possible and how to edit the reels so they look professional and sleek. So the recruiter knows that you need to be taken seriously. So after that, I'm going to be teaching you the most common websites to post your work and how to do so depending on the platform that you're posting in, because there's different keys to that will allow your posts to reach as many people as possible. I highly recommend that you check out the free Unreal Engine and Unity courses before this one, because they will teach you basic stuff that you need to know from those game engines in order for you to be able to get a hand on the project files that I attached to this course, and you'll be able to use a free VFX asset that I'm giving away for you to be able to test how to record and edit your videos. Enough said. Without further ado, let's get right into it.